Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset the windshield wiper motor. Are your windshield wipers stopping in the wrong position or acting strangely? In many cases, you can reset the wiper motor without replacing anything. Start with a quick electronic reset, turn the key to the accessory position without starting the engine, run the wipers on low speed for a few cycles, then switch to high speed for one or two cycles before turning them off. If the wipers return to the bottom of the windshield, the reset worked. If not, try a battery reset. Turn everything off, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait about 5 to 10 minutes before reconnecting it. Then turn the ignition back on and test the wipers again. If the problem persists, you may need to manually realign the wiper motor, remove the wiper arms and plastic cover, cycle the wipers once to allow the motor to return to its natural park position, and then reinstall the wiper arms in the correct location. This usually fixes wipers that stop too high, too low, or out of sync. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.